In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI in your Instagram group chat. As we delve into this feature, you'll discover how easy it is to enhance your group interactions by simply summoning Meta AI. Whether you're trying to organize plans, find dinner recommendations, or even craft the perfect caption, Meta AI can be your go-to assistant. Let's dive in and explore how to get started. First things first, open up Instagram and navigate to the group chat where you want to use the Meta AI feature. Once you're in your chat, you'll notice the message box at the bottom of your screen. This is where the magic begins. Simply type the command @MetaAI into the message box. This command is the gateway to engaging with Meta AI, so make sure to type it accurately. Next, you're going to type your question or command right after @MetaAI. This is where you can personalize your interaction by asking Meta AI to perform various tasks. For example, if you're in a group chat discussing dinner options and you want a suggestion, you could type @Meta AI suggest a good dinner place near Makati. With this command, Meta AI can provide you with nearby dining options. Perhaps you're reminiscing about a recent trip and you're struggling to come up with a catchy caption for a beach photo. In that case, you could simply type @Meta AI make a fun caption for our beach photo. Within moments, Meta AI will offer creative options that might just be perfect for your post. If scheduling is on your mind and you need to remind everyone about an upcoming meeting, Meta AI has you covered. Type something like @Meta AI, remind us to meet at 5 p.m. tomorrow, and Meta AI can help keep everyone in the loop by providing the reminder. You might be wondering what happens after you've typed your command. Rest assured, Meta AI will reply directly in the group chat with its response. This allows everyone in the conversation to see the result, making it a collaborative tool that benefits the whole group. Just like that, Meta AI becomes a dynamic part of your discussion. Integrating Meta AI into your Instagram group chats can greatly streamline how your group communicates and organizes its activities. It's like having a virtual assistant right at your fingertips. So next time you're in a group chat and need some extra help, don't hesitate to call on Meta AI. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to make the most of Meta AI in your Instagram group chats. Whether it's planning, finding recommendations, or creating fun elements to add to your conversations, Meta AI is there to enhance your experience. Thanks for watching, and have fun exploring all the ways this feature can assist you.